I want to take this time to thank you and thank the African Parks team for a very strong, very productive and very collaborative partnership over the last 10 years.
What a great honor it is to be here today. Nyungwe is so incredibly important, and as one of the last and one of the largest and most pristine Afro-montane rainforests that's left in Africa, with this exceptional biodiversity of over 1,000 plant species, 300 bird species, 98 different mammal species, and the fact that 25% of all primates in the whole of Africa are represented and call Nyungwe home.
Nyungwe, as you've said, is a very special national park for us. It's very different from the other parks we have in the country, very diverse in its ecosystem. And so as we sign the partnership today, we look forward to African Parks managing the park on behalf of the government. We look forward to improving the tourism infrastructure, the wildlife management and conservation, working with the communities to develop themselves, but also to benefit the communities around the park. And of course, very, very important, the ecosystem conservation and wildlife management. These are really the aspects that we're looking forward to developing further with you.